Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to discuss pair of linear equations in two variables, exercise 4.1, problem number 2. In the last class, we have seen the given equations are consistent or inconsistent. In this session, we are going to discuss same type of problem, that is the given equations are consistent or inconsistent. Dear students, watch full length video, it will helpful for you. If you are watching first time of my video, just subscribe the channel and try to share it. It will helpful for others also. Click this I button to learn previous concepts. Question number 2. Check whether the following equations are consistent or inconsistent. Solve them graphically. In that D, 5x minus 3y equal 11, minus 10x plus 6y equal to minus 22. So this one we need to find the equations are consistent or inconsistent we have to find, and we can show in the graphical representation also. Now see here given equations. So solution. Given equations 5x minus 3y equal to 11, and one more equation is minus 10x plus 6y equal minus 22. So this one we need to write a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0 type we need to write. Means this constant one we have to transpose to left. We are transposing to left means 5x minus 3y. This plus 11 becomes minus 11 equal to 0, and minus 10x plus 6y minus 22 becomes plus 22 equal to 0. Now we can write it. It is of the form a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal 0. So these both equations are of the form a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal 0 type it is. Now you can see here what is a and what is b, a1, b1, c1. So a1 in the first equation coefficient of x, that is 5, b1 that is coefficient of y, that is minus 3, c1 means constant term, that is minus 11. Now a2 coefficient of x, that is minus 10, b2 that is coefficient of y 6, c2 constant term, that is 22. Now we can see here a1 by a2, we can compare the ratios. So a1 means 5 by minus 10, 5 1s are 5 2s are, that equal minus 1 by 2 we can get. Now we can take b1 by b2 we have to take. So b1 means minus 3 by 6, 3 1s are 3 2s are, that equal minus 1 by 2 we are getting, minus 1 by 2. So here a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 we got it. Both are equal we got it. That's why you can take c1 by c2 also you have to take. So c1 by c2 equal, c1 means minus 11 by 22. So 11 1s are 11 2s are, that equal minus 1 by 2 we are getting. So here we got a1 by a2 equal minus 1 by 2, b1 by b2 equal minus 1 by 2, c1 by c2 also we got it minus 1 by 2. Means that all ratios are equal. Means a1 by a2 equal, b1 by b2 equal, c1 by c2. Both all are equal. All ratios are equal means what type of line these are? Consistent or inconsistent? Yes, that is consistent. So therefore the lines are consistent. The given linear equations represents coincident lines. Coincident lines, and they have infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. The given lines are consistent. A1 by A2 equal B1 by B2 equal C1 by C2 means that all ratios are equal, means that is coincident lines. So in the coincident lines we are getting many solutions, infinitely many solutions we are getting. Now next one, it is graphical representation. So we need to take the graphical representation for the equation. First one you can take 5x minus 3y equal to 11. So for this one we need to take the box. So in this x values, y values and pairs. So x value first you can take 0. Then next you can take y value, you can take the 0. So first you can assume x value as a 0. Then next y value assumed that is 0. So first you can take the equation 5x minus 3y equal to 11. Now we are taking x value is 0. So x value we are substituting 0 means 5 into 0 minus 3y equal to 11. 5 into 0, 0 minus 3y equal 11. 0 minus 3y, 0 minus 3y means that is minus 3y equal 11. This minus 3 you can transpose to right, so that equal 11 by minus 3. So 3 1 are 3, 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9 means we are getting 2 as a remainder. Point means it will be 20. So 3 6 are 18 means minus 3.6 we are getting. Minus 3.6. That pair becomes 0 comma minus 3.6. Now you can assume to y value you have to take. So y value we are taking as a 0. What we can get x value. So 5x minus 3 into y value is 0 equal to 11. So 5x minus 3 into 0. 3 into 0 is 0 equal to 11. So 5x minus 0 is 5x equal to 11. X equal 11 by 5. So 5 I transpose to right side. So we are getting denominator. So 5 1 are 5, 5 2s are 10. Means 1 remained. Point means it will be the 10. So 5 2s are 10. So we are getting 2.2. So that pair becomes 2.2 comma 0. Next, one more equation is there. That one also you can take. For the equation minus 10x plus 6y equal minus 22 you can take. So here also we need to assume the values of x and y values. So x value, y value and pairs. So x value first you can take as a 0, y value next time you can take as a 0. Now here the given equation once you can see minus 10x plus 6y equal minus 22. So my x we are assuming as a 0, x equal to 0. So it becomes minus 10 into 0 plus 6y equal minus 22. So minus 10 into 0 it will be 0. 0 plus 6y equal to minus 22. So 0 plus 6y we can get 6y equal minus 22. Y equal minus 22 by 6. Now we can take here we are getting 2 3s are 2 11s are 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 6 are 18 means we are getting minus 3.6. So 0 comma minus 3.6 only we are getting. Next y value we have to assume. So y equal to you can take as a 0. Y value we are taking 0 means 10 into x plus 6 into 0 equal to minus 22. So minus 10x plus 6 into 0, that value is 0 equal minus 22. Minus 10x plus 0 is minus 10x equal minus 22. Both sides minus get cancelled. This 10 you can transpose to right. So 22 by 10. In the denominator only we have the 1 0. Means we need to take in the numerator one digit, afterwards we can give the point, means we are getting 2.2. So the pair becomes 2.2 comma 0 we are getting. Now you can take the graph. Now here this is the y-axis, this is the x-axis. Both axes are intersecting at a point that is 0. So 0 right side values are positive values, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. Above the 0 also positive only, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And left side of the 0 negative values, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Below the 0 minus only, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Now you can plot the points. First pair is 0 comma minus 3.6. X coordinate is 0, y coordinate is minus 3.6. So x value is 0, y value is minus 3.6, means approximately we can get here. Next pair 2.2 comma 0. And x coordinate is 2.2, y coordinate is 0. 2.2 means we can get here. So you can join the points. So we can get like this. Next, in the second equation, this equation is 5x minus 3y equal to 11. Next, second equation, you can plot the points 0 comma minus 3.6. 0 comma minus 3.6 means here only we are getting. And second one is 2.2 comma 0. So 2.2 comma 0 means here only we can get. So that equation becomes same equation only. So that is, this equation is minus 10x plus 6y equal minus 22. So both are coincident, means 1 upon 1, this like this. So one line upon one line. So it is looking as a only one line in this, but here we have the two lines. Now scale must and should, we can write the scale. On x-axis 1 centimeter equal 1 unit. On y-axis 1 centimeter equal 1 unit. This is about the graphical representation of the given equations. In the next upcoming video, we will focus on same type of problem, that is, the given equations are consistent or inconsistent. Please support me by subscribing my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Like and comment on this topic. Dear students and viewers, do you like this video? Please share. It will helpful for others also. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you. Thank you very much.